saw you in that car in my driveway when we were 12. From Ryan's to the Navy, to Vegas, to Goshen, to this moment right here. We lost each other, then found our way home. 21 years later, I'm still choosing you. From Ryan's to the Navy, to Vegas, to Goshen, to this moment right here. I'm so proud of the woman you've become, still the greatest love story I know.